Hi there, students. Okay, to champion. I want to look at this word champion as a verb. I know you all know the meaning of champion. We are the champions. But to champion a cause, to support it, to enthusiastically support, defend a person, a belief, a principle, a right. So, I don't know, Martin Luther King championed desegregation of black and white communities. He's a champion of prisoners' rights. She has long championed free speech. She has long been a champion of free speech. Okay, so it's to support something very strongly, to defend. Yeah. Okay. When my boss started to criticize me very harshly, one of my colleagues began to champion me, to support me, to fight for, to defend. He championed the cause of civil rights, to support, okay, to defend. He championed the cause of liberty. I think very often the West invades poorer countries saying that they are championing liberty, but I'm not so convinced by that. And then a champion as a noun again, a person who fights for or defends a person or a cause. He's a champion of the oppressed. I'm sure you know the story of David and Goliath, where Goliath is the champion of the Philistines. Yeah, long ago in history, very often instead of two armies fighting, each army would choose a champion, one person who was really big and strong, and then the two champions would fight, and that would do instead of a pitched battle where many people died, just one person died. So in the story of David and Goliath, Goliath is the champion of the Philistines. He champions the Philistine cause. And David champions the Israelite cause. He's the Israelite champion. Okay? To champion. To be a very strong supporter of. To advocate. Okay? To support. To back. To defend. To fight for, to uphold, to stick up for. He passionately championed the poor. He has long championed my cause. He championed the cause of human rights for many years. Gandhi championed the cause of independence for India. Okay, so to champion, to support. So maybe you're going to ask, how formal? I think I would give this a 5.5 in formality. I think use it anywhere. Yeah, to promote, to advocate, to support, to act as a champion for. To champion, a regular verb. He championed the cause. He has championed this cause for years. And then as to origin, well, another word that comes through French, champion, from medieval Latin, campio, somebody who fights in a duel, which comes itself from Proto-West Germanic, campio, a combat soldier. But I guess basically it comes from campus, a field, a flat area, a place of battle. Okay? So to champion, to support, to actively do everything you can to promote, defend a cause, a person, something like that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To champion. A champion champions a cause.